Hi everyone, I really need your opinion on this. Are we heading to a AI digital stone age? Let me give you some example. Number one, it's money. Long time ago people used to trade with stuff, but it's difficult to value. And then we shift to gold and silver. Because it's rare in some countries and difficult to carry, we shifted to coin and difficult to carry the coins, and then we shifted to fake currency, printed paper money. And printed paper money is very inconvenient during this smartphones and AI time. So we shifted to online banking and digital currencies and cryptos. Now the problems are more complicated. Now cyber scams and hackers, government control the money and the taxes. And the main problem is inflation. Inflation is reducing the value of your money every day. You don't even feel it, but after a few years you will realize it. From trading things to gold to digital currencies, people are heading back to gold and silver. Not only people, even governments, even central banks, countries purchasing gold and silver. That's why gold and silver prices are skyrocketing, breaking all the records. Why? Because of the mess. Most of the countries are in war situation and political crisis and messed up economic stabilization. So governments and countries need something to hold on, which has a value. So I think silver and gold prices will go skyrocketing, and people also need to buy and save their money in gold and silver, which is very difficult in some countries. So are we heading to modern AI digital stone age? Tell me this, I really need your opinion. What if digital money disappeared tomorrow? What would you trust on more? Numbers on display or something you can hold on to? Number 2 is thumbprint. Long time ago people used to thumbprint stamp to certify documents like agreements, deeds. And then people learn signs, signatures. And people who do the signatures, they consider people who are uneducated use thumbprints, who never went to school, who don't know read and write, use thumbprints. So they consider them as uneducated people. And after that, signatures can be forged. After that, password, upgrade to passwords and PIN codes. And then upgrade to facial recognitions with the smartphone age to unlock phones for everything. And then deepfake came, AI came, and then we are going back to thumbprints. Now after signing all the digital and manual documents, you have to put the thumbprint to prove that you are a real person. Also when you're using banking apps to do the transactions, even crypto apps, when you're doing the transactions, even you're changing the passwords, you need thumbprints. Even you need thumbprints to unlock your phone. So from thumbprints, signatures, passwords, PIN codes, facial recognition, we are going back to thumbprints. We are like cavemen with smartphones, right? Modern Stone Age men using their thumbprint to prove their existence. Number 3 is health. Ancient doctors, healers use herbs, chants, bones to heal people. And then we upgraded to medicine, pills, injections, surgeries, and wearables. And now AI can diagnose people with a selfie. And now the problem is pharma scandals, fake medicines, antibiotic resistance, and app nagging. People may go back to grandma's herb and sunbath and grounding in dirt. So I'm not going to talk much about this. I hope you got the point. So in future, your AI doctor might ask you to hug a tree, have a sunbath, enjoy in the beach. That might be the stone age modern technology. If technology is improving every year, why people are going back to nature for health? Why going back to the Stone Age system back? Number 4 is work. Stone Age people used to hunt, farm, build, eat. And then came jobs, and people used to go 9 to 5 jobs and earn money. That money will trade for food and other supplies and survive. Now the AI came. AI going to automate everything. Not only one jobs, few jobs, all the jobs going to be automated. Here's the real question no one is asking. If AI automate all the jobs, do everything, and still money controls food, what humans will trade on? People will go back to Stone Age. They will start growing food, hunting and building, and go to the basic to survive.
Look at these sprouts. Pure survival.
Fresh baskets for your harvest.
I'll trade you these herbs.
Solid as a cave. Who needs tech?
So we start from the basic, upgrade to jobs, and jobs we automate. We create a system, automate the jobs, and AI is doing everything. We are going back to the Stone Age. Are we? Number 5, trust. Long time ago, people used to trust a real human, a voice, a face, a handshake, a real meeting. And then we start trusting the system. IDs, documents, agreements, governments, the banking systems. And now AI comes. AI take over everything. AI can fake everything. Even face, even voice, even a live call can be faked.
Hello? Are you there? This is like going working inside Canberra 5. Trust is stop broken.
When everything online can be faked, who or what you will really trust on? Real physical presence, a real person, real meeting, real handshake. So in modern AI Stone Age trust rule, if someone can't see you in real, won't trust you.
So good to see you.
You too. This feels right.
None of that virtual stuff.
Exactly. Real proof.
Here you go.
Thank you. This means everything.
The modern future will be digital with AI, but trust will be physical again. So the technology is crazily advancing, but we are heading back to the Stone Age, digital Stone Age, in a modern way. Old habits, new tools. Gold instead of digital money. Thumbprints instead of signatures, facial recognitions. Nature instead of modern technology, pills and surgeries. And physical presence and meeting like real humans instead of digital online meetings. So if you have the same feeling, if you agree with me, give me some more samples, more things which you think that we are heading back to the Stone Age. If you disagree, write me a comment and tell me why. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, share it with your friends. Like and subscribe the channel. Anyway, I'll find you in another video.